Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Ma'am De Los Santos.
You can make the prayer. Speak. So let's bow down our heads. Please yourself before the day. Arrange the chairs. And you may sit down. Secretary, the attendance. I will show you some pictures for the topic for today. And then I give you the questions. What is in the picture? So what can you see on the said picture? What can you identify? Speak it.
Non-linear resistance. There are four types of non-linear resistance. First is surface resistor, thermistor, photoresistor, and resistor resistor.
Okay, thank you. Before we proceed for our topic today, I will read to you the objective for today. Define the different kinds of resistor and its purpose. Know the different kinds of resistor and appreciate the importance of knowing the different types of resistor and its purpose. So today our topic is about resistor. Can you read Estiga?
Resistor. It is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. Electronic circuit resistors are used to reduce current flow, adjust signal level to divide voltage, bias active elements, and terminate transmission line among other uses.
So, resistor, as it says here, it can reduce the current flow and also it can adjust signal level to divide voltage. So, under the resistor, there are two types, the linear resistor and the non-linear resistor. The first is linear resistor, defined as a two-terminal circuit element which satisfies Ohm's law. The voltage across the resistor is proportional to the current flowing through it. So, it means in linear resistor, current flowing is proportion. So, balance lang siya. Next is linear resistor. There are the two types of resistor where the electric current flowing through it changes with exchange in applied voltage or temperature and does not change according to Ohm's law. So here in nonlinear it says that the current flowing through it can change and exchange in applied voltage and also the temperature. There are two types of linear resistor, fixed resistor and variable resistor. Fixed resistor. These resistors have constant value of resistance and do not change during operation. So it says here that fixed resistor, it cannot change its value when doing an operation. Variable resistor. This resistor allows you to adjust their resistance value during operation. So it says that variables can exchange value. Here is the example of linear and non-linear resistor. Under fixed resistor, there is carbon composite resistor. As you can see, Under variable, there is potentiometer, rheostat, resistor, primer resistor, and on non-linear resistor there is thermistor, varistor, circuit resistor, and photoresistor or LDR. As you can see, resistor has two types, linear and non-linear. And under linear resistor, there is fixed resistor and variable. So today, I will be giving you a quiz. Identify the following resistor, and I will need you to get the 1 point piece of it. Number 1 is potentiometer. Identify whether it's linear or non-linear. Rheostat, number 2. Number 3, service mount resistor. Number 4 is varistor. Number 5 is tip resistor. Are you? Thank you. So, I will give you your assignment. Draw the following resistor.